little man? Are you hungry? Welcome back to the vlog. It's like 6:30. He's been sleeping, but I just woke him up. I've got the grow lights on, and Clover's ready for dinner. I finally got my Victoria's Secret package after like weeks and weeks of waiting. I ordered this on Black Friday. I placed an order because I haven't bought underwear in like a long time, and Laser Ship lost my package in Woburn, Massachusetts. So I got it sent out to me and it arrived in 2 days. So very lucky. I don't know if I'm gonna show you my underwear, but I'm very happy to have new underwear. And I've been editing all afternoon. I'm just tired of doing it, but you're hungry, right? You're hungry? Let's get you fed. Get dinner. Yes. Oh my gosh. So excited. Spinning around. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Food. Okay. Okay. I think he went before. Sir. Sir. We've talked about your after dinner shenanigans. You gotta stop. You gotta stop. We're not doing this today. We're not. We're not doing this today. Come here. We're not. So I've got some bulgur started on the stove here. I'm gonna get ready to cover this because it's starting to boil a little bit. And I'm recreating a meal that I got in an Amazon meal box a few years ago. It's herb roasted salmon with cumin, beets, and bulgur, and it is delicious. I will show you the end result because this is so good. Good morning. There's like stuff on the screen. Let me the lens. Not the viewfinder. The lens. Oh, that looks much better. Welcome back to Monday morning. I just finished streaming on my other channel, and Clover and I have made it to the dog park. It's about 10:30, and we're gonna play here for 20 minutes, and then I think I'm gonna go to Home Goods for like a second to see if that table is still there. I kind of wanted to go. I had this round sort of coffee table in my hands for like 10 minutes this weekend, and then I just didn't buy it, and I kind of regret it. So I'm gonna go back and see if it's still there, and if it is, I'll pick it up for the living room, and then we will finish up the vlog. But Clover's all dressed up. It's 28 degrees outside, so he is ready to play some ball. He's all bundled up with his coat on. I'll show you, but you're looking very patient. All right, let's go play some ball.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset
You having fun? Okay. Oh, did it go out? Oh no. This ball went out of the park. All right, I'm not gonna come over. I'm just gonna go around. Well, hello, we're back. I didn't get that table from Home Goods. Something stopped me the first time and something stopped me the second time too. So I think it's a no-go. I think I'm just gonna wait till I find like the right one. But we came back from the park. Clover's, or I think he went down to like be with his dad. And I'm just gonna cut the vlog here. I didn't vlog a lot this weekend because we were busy doing stuff. The couch got delivered, we put the rugs down, and we're working on getting the TV installed downstairs, hung above the console, so that way we'll have two places to hang out. So if one of us wants to play video games on the big screen, then we've got another TV to go to. And over the weekend, my husband gave me my Christmas present, and it was a philodendron gloriosum, and I'll show you her right now. So here's my gloriosum. The leaf came a little bit damaged, but it's got one big leaf on her. But look at this. Isn't this fantastic? I hope that the next leaf that comes will be super beautiful. So I don't know if this is a growth spike or not, this little part right here, but I'll keep a careful watch on it. I hope it's a growth spike. I heard that you have to plant these with the rhizome sort of above the soil. You can see some of the roots that came with it above the soil a little bit. And there is a big chunk of stem, but so I don't really know what I should do. I hope it doesn't get root rot, but this is a pretty barky mix. This is like orchid mixed with, oh, there's some more root. There's some more roots. So it's pretty close to the top of the soil because these are crawlers and not climbers. So let me know if it looks okay to you. I don't know if you're a plant person, but anyway, philodendron gloriosum. It's like my first sort of rare plant, and I'm excited for some new leaves. Anyway, I also did this in my office. I don't know if it's the best thing, but it's kind of got a jungle feel to it. I kind of love it. Oh my gosh, Clover. We still have a bare tree, which is sad, but we got the fireplace working. It wasn't me, it was an electrical problem, and we were given a remote. So I'll turn it on. There it goes. Yay, so that works again. And there's a blower now, so the TV gets less hot. We will install a mantle as well, so it will absorb the heat from the fireplace, but it's so nice. Isn't that nice, Clover? I don't know why it's taking us so long to decorate the tree. I think because we just haven't had time to hang out together a lot here, but we were hanging out here last night to watch we watched horror movies all weekend. We watched Midsummer and Hereditary. Hereditary was super scary. I was scared. Were you scared? You weren't scared. You liked the movie though, didn't you? I liked the movie too. It was good, even though it was scary. And our neighbors gave us some cookies. Isn't that sweet? So I'll show you the downstairs update. So downstairs living area, looking a little more cozy than before. Isn't this couch pretty cool? I like the color. And still have to put the TV up, but this is becoming slightly more cozy than it was before. I love this carpet. I got this from Home Goods, and there's a little bit of gold brown color that sort of goes with that. So I really, really like the way that it looks. Oh, Clover's gonna get on. Is this your new sleeping spot, buddy? This is your new sleeping spot. For those of you wondering, this couch came from a website, can't talk, website called Casterly, and it is like a gold velour, velvety kind of material. And I've been telling people that it is 70s in a very good way. I really like it. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I am heating up some lunch, some leftovers, and I will see you tomorrow with another video. All right, hope you guys are having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.